Jamaican terms. Which country you come from, dog?
I'm English, innit?
English.
Cap.
Say no more, because I know you're not English, but say no more. Do you understand patois?
Rice and peas, man. Rice and peas, man.
I'm going to give you some Jamaican terms, and I want you to do your best to try and guess them. Do you think you can do that?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
All right, cool. You're green.
And you're black. I knew it was coming. So green is like, it's like a color between yellow.
No. The Jamaican terms. What green mean?
But I don't know many Jamaican terms that ain't calling people batty boy. You're green.
Oh, you get it. All right, cool. Fucking idiot. What pom pom mean?
Yeah, I know what I mean. Don't worry about that.
Yeah?
But you know what they call me?
What?
They call me the pom pom. Huh? Female genitalia, innit?
All right, cool. Don't eat it, no.
I eat pussy with my chest, bro. If it smells alright, you gotta go and kiss her thigh, but then do a little. And if it's just like things are just mad down there, you just come back up and carry on, innit?
Bumbuckler!